Alright, this is the
Final
golf cart ride. This is the final day in Florida. The Sunshine State, right, Abigail? Has it been sunny so far?
Nope. Only one day.
Only one day. When we were in Disney, we picked the perfect day to go to Disney. Abigail, do you want to shut the garage door?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, 0, plata. I did that on purpose.
What are you eating, Abigail?
What do you put in your cooler?
I wonder what this is.
Well, I was just trying to ask Tom that, but he didn't answer me.
It's yummy.
Apples and some yogurt. But do you want to fill it
Packing
up
up.
again, or is it not?
What?
Do you want to fill up the cooler or not?
Can I please
Yeah.
have
Then
some?
we're going to be taking like their ice.
Sorry! We better go back
How many of them do you have?
I only have one.
Really?
Yeah.
I've had that.
Did you touch the chocolate in the car?
No.
No, she couldn't have.
I went in the trunk and got this little thing. Abigail went in the front and got her gum, so I don't know if she touched chocolate, but... What chocolate? Yum! What? Can I take this? What chocolate? You want it? Good, but what chocolate? What?
I think you have one.
What chocolate? Can I go check? What? The car door's open. Everyone's in there. Chocolate
Everyone
vanilla.
who?
My family.
We're leaving.
Yeah, we're gonna leave you guys here.
You guys are kissing!
Do you have a peanut butter cup in your car for Emily?
Looks like we're leaving. Not the fun part, is it, Emily? You don't want to leave the golf cart?
But here's the best part. Leaving is shorter than coming.
You mean getting home will be shorter than going
Yes.
here?
Because you don't want to leave.
So
And
that-
you don't ask, and then it goes by real fast.
Yeah, Del Boca Vista was fun with the family, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
What was the most fun? Probably Disney? Yeah. Disney was pretty awesome.
Awesomer than any awesome.
Quite a spring break for the Ryan clan.
Actually, it's my spring break. It's no one else's spring break.
No?
No. You don't have spring break. Neither does Abigail. Neither does Mommy.
Nope. But it was fun.
I had spring break. But today I have school.
Yeah, you're missing school today.
But I'm missing school.
Cool. What a spring break. Yay.
I wish I could miss this whole week.
Stay with Nanny and Grandpa?
Yes.
That would be fun.
And then they can mail us.
What do you think, Abigail? Did you have a fun spring break?
Yes. It's not her spring break either.
Well,
You cook.
we used your spring break as our spring break. But next year, Abigail, it'll be your spring break too. You saying goodbye to Nanny and Grandpa?
It was in your blue.
Wait, where's my... No, I took it out.
Are you crying?
No, my makeup thing.
No.
Not mine.
Right, hold on.
Where's my makeup?
Well, where's
Why are you crying, Scoop? Because you're going to miss him? I'm going to miss him too.
But they're going to be here in 2 weeks.
Something like that.
14,
What about,
14 or 15 sleeps.
Did you put it in here?
All right, goodbye, girls.
Okay,
Goodbye.
buckle up. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you
See
very
ya.
much. Keep in touch.
Yeah, thanks for everything, you
We'll
guys.
miss you. You're very welcome. Thank you for everything.
Yep.
See you in 2
Bye.
weeks.
See you in 2 weeks.
Bye.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Adios, guys.
Oh, we're not going back this way?
No.
Bye. Wave. Wave out the window. Say
Come
bye.
up the window, girls.
Bye. Give me your gum.
We're number one. We're the big number one. Chihuahua. 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 Oh, Chihuahua. Chihuahua. You love this song so much. I was like, oh man.
Coconut Banks. So these look silly? Okay. of minutes. You see the gators behind you? Look at them.
Whoa. Come here.
Let's go check them out. Look, they're jumping on one another.
Come here.
No. Come here. Look at this. Oh, look, Emily. This guy's swimming.
Look at this.
Yeah, those are keychains that you probably never ever get to buy.
Why?
Because they'll never have your name spelled correctly, Emily. They do have Grace.
So?
It's the wrong Emily. Well, they do have Ryan, your last name.
Yeah, she's the president. Come here.
What's Abigail doing? Oh, do you want one of these, Emily?
No.
A gator head? Look at this size of this guy.
Mire para la...
Look at all this shit.
Yep.
This
Try.
one's smushy on the side.
I think this is good.
You're gonna bet. Oh shit.
Okay. Yep, inside.
Lagoon?
Awesome.
Hanging.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
I think we're good with the grapefruit. Yummy. You want another one?
No, like one of these.
Oh, okay. What do you think? Good?
I mean, they're okay.
I wish I had a pocket. We're eating blizzards. Everyone's getting brain freeze. You got brain freeze, Abigail? Show me. How about you? Good to see the singing lessons are paying off. We're flying up Highway 95 northbound. Abigail's about to puke. This could be huge for the vlog industry. We can definitely get on the Shade Tarts video if this happens. Abigail, make sure you puke in front of the camera, okay? No, you don't have to?
What?
Tell me what you're watching.
What?
Tell me what you're watching there.
Take your thing back.
What? I guess Emily forgot how to vlog. She's watching 2010 trip. Carolina Beach, right when? Sure. She doesn't know either. Her memory's terrible. And we're still driving in South Carolina somewhere. We made it. It's over. Vacation's over. Was that a good vacation, guys?
Yeah.
Did you love Florida? Disney?
And if any more.
You want more?
Daddy, can I
It's a
tell
good
you
vacation. We could have
If
used that.
anybody was watching Dance to the South, I wasn't really paying attention much weekend Monday. So if Cody and like whoever else is with Cody and Whitney aren't
I
here. They aren't here anymore.
think I voted off last week.
Yeah.
All right, well, great memories, great times. Abigail?
And we don't have to unpack. Only
Nope.
parents do.
Yep.
They also pack.
Mommy's unpacking. All by herself. See ya.